Hey guys, welcome back to my channel English Lit. Today I'm going to explain you the poem written by John Donne, that is The Good-Morrow. Okay, let's start. I wonder by my troth what thou and I did till we loved. Were we not weaned till then, but sucked on country pleasures childishly, or snorted we the seven sleepers' den? The poem begins in a highly dramatic manner with a very unsettled or confusing question, not only to his lady love, but also to himself. What did you and I even do before we were in love? Were we still breastfeeding? Did you only enjoy simple childish things? Or were we fast asleep with the seven sleepers? The poet wonders how the couple before their marriage used to spend their lives, how they spent their lives before they met each other. The poet is perhaps looking into his past records. The poet wanted to elicit or know more his beloved, whether they are still suffering from uncertainties or hesitancy, and went their usual way of sucking country pleasures childishly. He considers the phase of life in which they didn't met each other to be as meaningless as the one spent in the slumber by seven sleepers of Ephesus in the den. The poet voices the doubts and uncertainties about their commitment of a new life. There may be many twists and turns in their amorous relationship in the past. But now the poet allays all misgivings and fears spoiling their relationship, and they very soon feel galvanized into the new life they have elected for themselves. Okay, let's read what's next. And now good morrow to our waking souls, which watch not one another out of fear. For love, all love of other sides controls, and makes one little room and everywhere. Okay. Good morning to our souls, which are waking up. The poet says that they have awakened to a new life, and they do not watch each other out of fear. In this life, fear gets banished. They are so much in love that they need not to look at anything except each other. There is complete sovereignty of love, love which is the union of mind and soul, and it makes one small room as wide as the world. Then the poet brings in some more images from geography and cosmology as illustrative analogies. He says, let explorers cross the ocean to discover new worlds. Let other people make maps charting worlds upon worlds. The poet does not want to imitate those who roam about the globe in search of virgin territories. He says, let us have just one world. Each of us is a world, and so each of us has a world. What's written next? My face in thine eye, thine in mine appears, and true plain hearts do in the faces rest. The poet says, my face appears in your eyes, and your face appears in my eyes. The idea expressed here is that face is an index to the mind. So, the poet says, truth of our heart is visible in our faces. We can read further. Where can we find two better hemispheres, without sharp north, without declining west? Whatever dies was not mixed equally. If our two loves be one, or thou and I, love so alike that none do slacken, none can die. There is a complete union of the poet and his beloved in this poem, which can be seen through the image of the globe with two perfect hemispheres, one the lover and other the beloved. When something dies, it dies because its parts were not appropriately mixed. The fact of union of the two finds an analogy in the image drawn from the world of chemistry. It is the analogy of simple and compound things. The poet says, our loves are so perfectly matched that we have become one, and thus our love will not lose its power, and we will not die. The mathematical image of two becoming one is the expressive of the merging of their separate identities into a new one. I hope you understood this poem. Thank you for watching.